what are you doing? Tell Mom what you're doing in there. Oh, you hid yourself in there, and you want to hide the little toy too. Ah, come here. Come, come. Mom is asking you. Come here. Tell Mom what you did outside by yourself this morning.
Ah, you really have to find the one you played with this morning.
Did you play with toys? You were focused. Oh, you played with this in the morning.
Ah, you played with this, right? Ah, besides playing with toys, what else did you do? Still drinking water. Ah, what else did you do? Take a look.
Oh, you went to the bathroom, right? Oh, and you knocked this over. Oh dear.
Oh, you also drank water, right?
Did you do anything else besides these things?
What else did you do?
What else did you do? A little dog that always wants to sneak food is not a good little dog, you know. Ah, go get your eating bib. We're getting ready to eat.
Oh, so impressive. Ah, come here. Oh, let Mummy test you. Come here. Do you know where your little dining table is?
Where is it? Oh, it's here, right? Little dog, take your seat.
Put on our little bib to protect your heart, to protect your mouth. Is Anne ready? Then thank Mum. Eat. Come down. Let's go wipe your mouth.
Oh no, I forgot. Can you pick it up and bring it to Mom? I forgot to give you the little teething snack. Did you pick it up?
Oh, so impressive.
All right, take it and eat. Come on, bite it. Good, off you go.